Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ESEA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely well above average volume today. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.70. Now, don't get me wrong. I am not saying that if the price falls below $1.70, that means the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above $1.70, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, sure, staying above $1.70, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those right now because in my opinion, resistance levels don't really matter in charts like this. What do I mean charts like this? Well, charts where the price has been doing what you would want to see it do. Meaning if you look at where the lows have been, you can see these lows just keep getting higher and higher. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, very clearly the stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And as long as stair steps continue to progress, that's the name of the game. That's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So just focus on healthy consolidations and building higher lows, and everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.